Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable messages on YouTube. But first thing to know is that this feature lets you share videos, shorts, and live streams and have conversations about them directly on YouTube. But right now, YouTube is still testing this feature and it's only available to some regions. And here's the full list to see if it's available in yours. So, first, you want to make sure you're signed in to your YouTube channel on the mobile app. Messaging only works if both you and the person you want to chat with have YouTube accounts. Next, you want to find a video you want to share or discuss. You want to tap the share button below the video. Then you'll see a new option called Chat on YouTube. Simply tap that and it'll generate a private link that you can send to someone with a YouTube channel. Next, send that to a recipient. The recipient needs to allow messages on their app as well. And once they accept, the conversation opens and you can start sending messages directly inside YouTube. Keep in mind this feature is mobile only, not available on desktop. And it's still experimental, so it may not be super fast or fully polished yet. And that's it. That's how you can enable and start using messages on YouTube in countries where it's being tested. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!